Good news for Tesla employee. Tesla Inc. has begun hiring back some of the almost 500 members of its supercharging team that Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk dismissed late last month. But what is the exact news? We don't know. It was not immediately clear how many laid-off workers have been rehired. Here is good news from Tesla. BP Electronic Charging Unit. BP Pulse is looking to aggressively expand its US charging site, and BP also planning to expand more than $1 billion by 2030. Half of it is within the next 2 to 3 years to install over 3,000 charging points across the US.